Hi. So in this video, we're going to review an AI tool, specifically Claude AI, and see what all the fuss is about because I know it is having some bookkeepers and finance pros scrambling around, and everybody is worried whether or not this tool is going to be a support tool or is it going to be a full replacement of accounting and bookkeeping profession. After the launch of Claude for Excel by Claude, it has made some news recently, and also had the legal firms scrambling around, and the cybersecurity companies' stocks tanked recently because they have launched a security tool. So all of this, we're going to be seeing how it is going to impact our bookkeeping profession by watching it live with me. I'll be giving it some prompts and raw data and see whether or not it is going to be a support function, a support tool, or a full-on replacement tool for the accounting and bookkeeping profession.
So, how we doing, everybody? Here we are in the Excel sheet. So I pre-recorded it. Initially, I thought I'll be streaming it and explaining it together, but this video got really long. It got to 35 minutes. So now I am reviewing this video and explaining what I'm doing in this video. So this is Excel, and you gotta have Claude Pro paid version to be able to use Claude for Excel version. And what is going to happen is in this video, going to navigate to this portion. This is Claude. And when you go there, it launches the Claude code. And I gave it this prompt. I want you to generate 60 real estate transactions conducted by a law firm, which include all kinds of transactions, including but not limited to income, revenue, expense, assets, liabilities, invoice issued, bills received, accounts receivable recovered, bills paid, and like, plus make 3 columns, that is date, description of transaction, and amount. After sending it to Claude, it started cooking and it started generating labels. It has made 3 columns. It populated 30 transactions. Now it has populated 60 transactions, as you can see. And the transactions are, according to my prompt, all kinds of just different transactions that you think are going to be incurred by a law firm: invoice issued, office rent paid, purchase of new office furniture, received retainer fee, paid Westlaw legal research subscription, bill received from IT services, all kinds of receivables and payables, and all kinds of invoices and bills received, and general administration expenses that are being paid. So after that, I asked it now add 2 columns. Now add 2 columns, that is debit and credit, and in each column assign the respective account head which is to be debited or credited according to a description using the accounting logic and convention. So it is going to do that. As you can see, it has added 2 columns, debit and credit, and for each transaction, it has debited the account receivable, the account head that is relevant, and credited the account head that is relevant and suitable. And it has done for all 60 transactions. So after that, what did I ask it? I also want you to add a drop-down list to the cells in debit and credit, which will include the chart of account just in case I want to assign a transaction to a different account head. So these are account heads that are being assigned by Claude. I want to have a drop-down list. In each and every single cell, I want to have a drop-down list so that I can customize my account heads just in case Claude is not assigned appropriate account head. So it will do that now. As you can see, yeah, you can see this. From the drop-down list, you can pick up any account head that you want if Claude hasn't assigned the correct account head. If you want to add a different account head that is not in the drop-down list, you can simply add that account head to the master file of chart of accounts, and it will appear here, which will also be these are the chart of account that it has generated. And if you simply want to add an account, you can add a row and add an account like I'm doing. Enter an entire row. You can add an account there here, and it will appear in the drop-down list. So after that, I wanted to move to generating trial balance. So I asked it, I want you to generate trial balance. Consider this to be the first year of business, and let's assume that this is a private limited company, plus also assume that the share capital injected was $100,000 dollars through cash and bank. Go ahead. So it started generating trial balance. As you can see, it started slowly populating it. And here you go. You have a trial balance that is balanced on both the debit and credit sides. 402,250, Now, natural next thing to do is to ask it to generate financial statements. So it asked me whether I should generate income statement and balance sheet. I said, yeah, go ahead and generate balance sheet, income statement, and statement of cash flow on separate sheets. Now it will go ahead and just do that. As it showed, this is the income statement. It is generating it. As you can see, the income statement is completely generated. You have the revenue, you have the expenditures, you have interest expense. You have no income tax expense because it will depend upon jurisdiction. But surely, if you give it the parameters of your jurisdiction, it will also be able to calculate it. And it hasn't also included the depreciation and non-cash expenses. But if you prompt it correctly and give it the right parameters for your business, it will also include those expenses in your financial statement, in your income statement. So after this, it will generate balance sheet, in my opinion. Yeah, here you go. Balance sheet has been generated. You have retained earnings, which had a loss of 32,000. From income statement, you have balance sheet 137,162, 137,162. It is balanced. It has a balance checker. And after that, it will go ahead and generate. Yeah, this is statement of cash flow. Okay. So net income or loss. This is operating activities. It has used $19,000 in operating activities, used $13,000 in investing activities, and generated $140,000 from financing activities. And your cash and bank at the end of 106,862, which is also balanced with balance sheet, and it has a balance checker here too. So that's that. And after that, I wanted to add notes to the financial statements, which were pretty basic. So I added another. Can you also generate notes to the financial statement based on data provided? What's next? Also, detailed line item wise breakup of expense do not appear on the face of income statement. Yeah, they need to be in the notes. They are to be mentioned in the notes. Okay, so it is generating the basic information, general information about the company, significant accounting policies, basis of preparation, which is revenue, its personal expenditure, occupancy. There you go. It took quite some time to generate notes to the financial statements as compared to balance sheet and other components of financial statements. As you can see, these are generated. Yeah, that's it.
So we've all watched the demonstration and we concluded how capable Claude AI is in handling accounting and bookkeeping tasks. Now to the main question about whether or not the accountants and bookkeepers should be worried about AI taking over the industry or taking their jobs. In my opinion, what I believe, AI will not replace accountants and bookkeepers. I believe that accountants and bookkeepers who use AI will certainly replace accountants and bookkeepers who do not use AI. And it is natural to be apprehensive and fearful because if you have spent the last decade on polishing and developing a skill which can now be performed better by a machine in a matter of seconds, it is natural to feel threatened. but so has been the case through every technological shift in history, from calculators to spreadsheets to cloud accounting. The profession did not disappear, it grew. It became more valuable. So Claude AI, similarly among the other AI tools, is it's not the end of the story. It's the next chapter. It's a plot twist, and how you respond to this plot twist is going to redefine your career for the next decade. So, in my opinion, the future of finance is not human versus machine. It is human with machine. Having said that, um, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this video, and if you like the content, you can thumbs up the video. You can add a comment and tell me what more types of videos you like regarding AI in finance, tech even, or bookkeeping, accounting, Claude in Excel, financial modeling, those kinds of videos. If you want me to make, please leave a comment. I'd be sure to watch it and act upon it. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time.